In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a timer in Carrd, a simple and sleek way to enhance your website. Whether you're counting down to a special event, showcasing how long you've been in business, or just adding a dynamic visual element to your site, Carrd makes it easy. So, let's jump right in and set up your timer in just a few steps. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to the Carrd website. Make sure you're logged into your Carrd account to access your projects. If you're not familiar with Carrd, it's a fantastic platform for creating simple, responsive one-page sites for pretty much anything. Once you're in, open the project where you want to add your timer. It's crucial to have your page ready so you can quickly integrate the timer without hassle. Once you have your project page open, look around the interface and find the plus symbol, usually located in the sidebar or toolbar depending on the layout. This button is your gateway to adding new elements to your page, including the timer. Go ahead and click on the plus symbol. You'll likely be presented with a menu of different types of elements you can add to your page. Now, from this menu, select the timer option. You'll be able to choose from several types of timers, such as a default timer, countdown, count-up, or duration timer. Think about what you want your timer to achieve. A countdown is great for events or sales deadlines, while a count-up can show how much time has passed since a specific event started. Selecting the right type of timer depends entirely on your needs and the context of your site. With the type of timer selected, it's time to customize it by adding specific details like the date, time, and time zone. This step is vital to ensure accuracy, especially if your audience is global. Setting the correct time zone ensures that everyone sees the right time, irrespective of where they are. Simply input the details by clicking on the respective fields, and be sure to double-check your inputs. You don't want any discrepancies, especially with important event counts. Finally, once you're satisfied with all the settings, click on Done. This final step saves your timer's settings and integrates it into your page. You might want to preview your page to see how the timer looks in action and make adjustments if necessary. Remember, a timer can be a functional element, but it also adds to the aesthetic of your page, so make sure it blends well with the rest of your design. And that's it. You've successfully added a timer to your Carrd site. With Carrd's intuitive platform, making these tweaks is easy, allowing you to focus on engaging your audience effectively. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out other Carrd features that can elevate your online presence.